This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer DeYoung. Welcome home. Kick your shoes off and unwind in this freshly updated, split-level ranch home on a quiet cul-de-sac west / its expansive backyard, including a detached garage / workshop, raised garden beds, and chicken coop, complete west / 5 hens, if desired. This home has been upgraded to be truly turnkey: new HVAC, newer roof, fresh paint top to bottom throughout, new laminate flooring, new carpeting, updated baths, updated kitchen. All lighting has been replaced west / LED fixtures. There are 5 bedrooms, one of which could be used as a private study / office. Enjoy the view from the dining room, filled west / natural lighting, looking out upon the beautifully landscaped backyard. The living area is quite open, light, and airy west / cathedral height ceilings and a whitewashed wood-burning fireplace west / views of the well-maintained front yard and backyard, great for bonfire nights and entertaining guests. Near major shopping, joint Base Langley-Eustis, Busch Gardens, and many more local attractions. For more information, review